we had to replace 6 employees with automations and AI, not because we wanted to, because we had no choice. At our lowest point, we had less than $10,000 on the bank while being double that in debt. We had scaled our info business way too fast and ignored crucial problems in our business and almost drowned in the process. We went from 9 employees down to only 3 of us left. But here's the kicker, the workload remained the same. So we basically had to do what 9 other full-time employees did a couple of weeks earlier, now only on 3 people. Luckily, this wasn't our first time around. We have over 7 years experience in the tech industry, so we did the only thing we could do. We automated everything. We did automation such as automated lead magnet system. We automated a lot of processes in the nurturing process of leads. We automated sales processes. We automated onboarding processes. We automated customer support. Everything we could automate, we automated. And the crazy part is that not only did we replace all these 9 full-time employees with AI and systems, we actually increased the quality from a customer perspective. This is gonna be huge. The AI revolution is gonna unlock so much opportunities for business owners that has never happened before. So of all, especially info owners, there are 2 big opportunities using AI and automations. First of all, scale without headcount. So you can scale systems, not only hire a lot more people in order to keep your margins high and grow faster. The other thing is increase the LTV. If you can build MicroSaaS solutions, automations that make your job as the authority in an info space, your life easier, you can probably sell that on to your followers and your customers. This is gonna totally revolutionize how businesses scale and operate, and that's what I'm betting on. So I'll keep you informed. If you want to know what a developer with over 10 years experience and know a lot about marketing in the info space says about this, watch this next video. See you in the next video.